All right, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm excited because we're gonna go pick up a carbon fiber hood today. I got a pretty sweet deal, but we took off the hood because I don't have a way to pick it up. So I'm gonna drive an hour away. We're gonna put the hood on, then I'm gonna come home and hopefully we miss the traffic. But that is the plan for today, and that is what's gonna be in today's videos. I also fixed the exhaust leak, by the way. Let's do a little quick cold start. Xavier's house. The car made it. Look how she's looking. Beautiful. What's up, Xavier? This is Xavier's beautiful car. This is the donor car. So he got a brand new hood. This hood flew up, and this is the hood we're putting on my car now. This has a little bit of damage on the bottom, but nothing too crazy. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm supporting it down so I can get it.
All right, so we got Xavier over here tightening up the what is it called?
The hood pins?
Yeah, the hood pins, those things. Here we go. And sheesh. Look at that. That's pretty sick, bro.
Looks good on the red.
I love it. Does look pretty good on the red. That's a difference for sure. So this is the damage. You can see a little better in the daylight, but again, that's honestly it, right? It was just a little bit under here too, and that's it.
Yeah, that piece there, you gotta try to leave it.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can see it from, but that's not bad. Oh dude, hell yeah. All right, so we're on the road and we're going back home. The hood is installed, we got everything. We even got like a little latch that protects it even more than the little pins. I'll show you guys that in a minute. I had to kind of rush out, so I didn't really record the end, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute in an hour when I get home. So, but look at the sky real quick, bro. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's beautiful out. Anyway, see you guys in a minute. All right, so this is day 2. We made it home. Thing is looking sick. I am obsessed with it. I don't know if you guys remember what the hood looked like before, but it was damaged in all different places, which actually, you know what, I'll go show you guys here in a minute. So this is the hood, and you can't really see on camera. Look at all the, like, it's like a stain, like water stains from the bra that used to be on it, and it just never could be fixed. And then there was damage up here where you can see I try to paint over it to kind of make it a little bit better, but that damage and bunch of just like faded paint. But this is the damage that we're dealing with, and I'm gonna upload a video on how I'm gonna fix that. I have an idea. We're gonna try the first idea, and then there's always a plan B, right? You always have to have a plan B. The thing has come a long way. Like, look at the before and now look at the after, man. This thing is sick. Still has a lot of work to do, but I love it. Shout out to Xavier hooking me up with a sweet deal for the hood. I'll have a link to his channel and what he's going to be doing now that he removed this and I have it. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think? Be on the lookout for the next video and how I'm going to repair that, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.